Alright, this is case number 2. Remember, we are talking about special cases of linear equation. Alright, this is case number 2. And if you're seeing this first, please check case 1. Alright, once you have something like this in your solution or during your solving, if you get to a point like this, you know this is a special case where you have the same thing on the left hand side as what you have on the right hand side. Okay, if you subtract 5x from here, let's say we subtract 5x from both sides. We subtract 5x from both sides. 5x minus 3 minus 5x, and here we also have 5x minus 3 minus 5x. So here 5x minus 5x is 0. Also here 5x minus 5x is 0. So that means we're going to have minus 3 left on this side equals to minus 3. Alright, so this is a special case. We call it infinite solution. Alright, infinite what? Solution. Remember, the first one is no solution, right? This one is infinite solution because you have what you have on the right hand side is same as what you have on the left hand side. Okay, in this case it means that any value of x would satisfy the equation. So any value of x at all, any value of x would make the equation true. So that means if x is 1, this would be 5 times 1 minus 3, 5 times 1 minus 3, and that will be true. If x is 5, that's 5 times 5, 25 minus 3, 22. 5 times 5, 25 minus 3, 22. So any value of x would make the equation true. Okay, in that case it's called an infinite solution. So it's a special case. So when you're solving and you get to a point where what you have on the left hand side is exactly the same as what you have on the left hand side, and the x terms probably cancel out, then you know that you are dealing with a special case of linear equation. We call it infinite solution, and I've explained that, right? That it means that any value of x would satisfy the equation. The same thing here, if you had subtracted, if you had added 3 to both sides, you'll be left with 5x equals to 5x. You divide both sides by 5, you'll be left with x equals to x. Alright, that shows you that it's an infinite solution. I believe it's clear. Alright, so tell me in the comments if you have seen a case of infinite solution in your solving. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Bye.